Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm John, your host here on the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your go-to space for everything steam and sauna. If you've been looking into sauna heaters lately, you've probably come across two giants in the game, HUUM and Harvia. Both are trusted names with loyal followings, but they offer totally different sauna experiences. In this video, we'll break down how these two brands compare in 2025. From design and performance to heat up speed, smart features, and that authentic sauna feel. So you can figure out which one's perfect for your home or wellness space. Let's jump right in. Let's start with a quick brand overview. HUUM is the new kid on the block, an Estonian brand that's only been around for about a decade, but has taken the sauna world by storm. Their designs are sleek, modern, and award-winning, with open rock baskets that maximize steam quality. HUUM is all about natural, soft heat and minimalistic Scandinavian aesthetics. Harvia, on the other hand, is a true sauna legend. Founded in Finland in 1950, they've been supplying heaters for home and commercial saunas for generations. Harvia is known for reliability, wide product range, and traditional sauna performance. So HUUM brings innovation and style, while Harvia brings decades of proven trust. Now let's talk about design and aesthetics. HUUM heaters look like modern art pieces. Models like the Drop and Cliff feature elegant, rounded frames with large rock capacities. The open design means you see the stones, and the heat radiates more naturally. They're perfect if your sauna is as much about design as it is about function. Harvia offers a range of looks, from classic metal casings to modern glass door styles in models like the Cylindro and the Wall. Their designs are functional first, but they still offer contemporary options for modern saunas. In short, HUUM is for those who want a showpiece heater, while Harvia balances function with a touch of style. Let's compare heat performance. HUUM's open rock baskets hold more stones, sometimes up to 200 pounds, which means more heat retention and softer, longer-lasting steam. The open-air design allows you to throw water over a larger surface area, creating a rich, enveloping steam. Harvia's heaters are built for fast heat-up times and consistent temperature control. While many models have smaller stone capacities, they make up for it with highly efficient heating elements and excellent insulation. If you prefer slower, softer, and more humid heat, HUUM is your choice. If you want fast heat up and more control over temperature precision, Harvia wins. Now let's talk about controls and technology. HUUM heaters often pair with the UQ control system, which comes in both local and Wi-Fi versions. The Wi-Fi model lets you start and monitor your sauna from your phone. Perfect if you want to step into a hot sauna right when you get home. Harvia offers a wider variety of control options, from basic mechanical dials to advanced digital panels like the Zenio series. Some Harvia models also support remote start, though their focus is more on reliable, user-friendly operation than high-tech flash. HUUM leans towards sleek, app-connected control, while Harvia gives you practical choices for every budget. Let's move to durability and build quality. HUUM heaters are built in Estonia with stainless steel bodies and high-grade components. The open basket designs are durable, but you do need to maintain the stones more regularly since they're more exposed. Harvia heaters are built in Finland, and they have a long-standing reputation for lasting 15 to 20 years with basic care. Their closed body designs protect the stones and elements, often reducing maintenance needs. Both are built to last. HUUM focuses on premium craftsmanship with a design edge, while Harvia delivers time-tested endurance. Now let's discuss pricing and value. HUUM heaters typically cost a bit more. You're paying for the design, larger stone capacity, and modern aesthetic. Harvia offers a much wider price range, from entry-level models under $1,000 to premium commercial heaters over $5,000. That makes Harvia a value leader, especially for budget-conscious buyers. So what are the pros and cons of HUUM? On the plus side, HUUM offers stunning design, huge stone capacity, softer steam, and sleek Wi-Fi controls. On the downside, they cost more, and the open design means more stone maintenance. And what about the pros and cons of Harvia? The pros? Harvia delivers legendary reliability, a wide range of models for all budgets, fast heat-up times, and easy maintenance. The cons? Less stone capacity for softer steam, and their lower-end models aren't as stylish as HUUM's offerings. So which one should you choose? Pick HUUM if you want your sauna heater to be a centerpiece of design, love soft, humid, and long-lasting steam, appreciate sleek, Wi-Fi connected controls. Pick Harvia if you want a trusted brand with decades of experience, need faster heat-up times and less maintenance, want more model choices across different price points. Final thoughts. Whether you choose HUUM or Harvia, you're getting a heater from a country that lives and breathes sauna culture. HUUM gives you innovation and design flair, while Harvia gives you tradition and proven reliability. If you want to see our full range of HUUM heaters, click the link in the description. If you want to explore Harvia's extensive lineup, we've got that link too. Now, tell me in the comments, are you Team HUUM or Team Harvia? And that's it for today's video. I'm John, and you've been watching the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for our top sauna and steam collections. You can also join our school community to ask questions and get expert tips for your home spa setup. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.